In an horrifying incident this morning, as many as 84 shops gutted fire at Laithumkhrah market. No loss of life reported as the fire gutted in the morning hour. It took hours for fire services to put down the flame. Local MLA Amprin Lingdo, after reaching the spot, took stock of the situation and informed that CM have assured to support in rebuilding the market. The reason of fire is yet to be certain, but some claims to be short circuit. Total value of loss cannot be known at present and it need to look out thoroughly, said MLA.
Sir.
Yeah.
Telepon, pagkaladon ke Jing jong kami kayo kumay ang Laithumkhrah bazar kami kayo Laithumkhrah kadaw jong ka Jing sedang jong kata kading ompat la bantip na martikulit kidang le ya ka assessment ke jong ki hidang up menta ya ki officers jong ka DC office pagpili ki ba saka edeng jong kampanye immediately ihapon le ka assessment kabalay pare gilaya yang gilaya keren lang barkador pat ban kita inom syokyo manginya perkhat ke ego pengidor kampan let akabanik ko chief minister ula ay ini ka assurance ba din pentha employ ya katay ka chaka ka ing first law jong na relocated baat pare ka bangilaya keren men chief minister malong ba Ngin don kam menta bangin perkhat yang kae ke bangila pembe. Idon are likely the options sa pangaya trend bakasnong but they the vendors dan the long song yo. But ngin saya kahit bahaya kami kakam ngin yang indo biang hakapor live je hangin yang DC banga. Hakapor saw je ngin sara yang kata proposal syai honorable chief minister ba ilaayin ni ka assurance ba in mormon ya katay de jata hangkat ka bakloy ka bala di kijinglot hang di minong patla ong ni hapya right pat bentan ini kibala sya junot lagi kan kijong ki hatan biyo atau kin pam jane kin imski kuno kay kidon kita ki options hatong insnano tapoy tara ka bahe nakapabro from south ila bansyok akan dikecaka jong kacaka jong yeng normal di ba sui untuk ne in ong no iki syong hayeng in generate pat nakaway ka wage law scheme naka MLA fund jonga mat kaba ye kita ki sipo kansanski kiba kasim kapor banshna ya katiyo ke apreng jong iteki nong syong yo kabajulor kamday kata ka multimedia center kabala ing kaway ka printer high definition printer kinyapit ka bang kumno ngintip kumno nginyale tangba ngidon kam banyarap di kini patba inungi di bala chef yang kini kalana but